Good job. Yeah. Yeah. I think people are going to do it.
So that's what I always say. It's not the particular application. Everything is better if you leave it. So
Have you seen where you can do
Yeah, it's the whole VR thing like that, and this whole thing in the body. They actually control. And if you animate your character, you can do anything you want with the character. It's pretty cool. And it has the virtual. You see the cameras too. I like that part too. That's pretty cool tracking. And then you can see you can use this for anything now these days, you know. But body tracking suits are expensive. So is the camera. You see the camera, and then to track them, and then
Probably when you get rich, you can get one of these.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
animate.
yeah. Do, want some free glasses? I'm gonna grab some glasses. You want to put them away for your backpack? Oh, this is gonna be a lot of swag stuff. Yeah. Okay. Perfect. You want to get in line for like a shows and stuff like that they have, or? Look at it. You see these monitors? They're 3D. You have to be standing in front of it to see the monitor. It's a 3D model. You can see the actual movements of it, like for designing and stuff like that. Yeah. So it has motion tracking or
Yes, only
or
face-
eye tracking?
Yes, eye tracking.
Eye tracking? Oh yeah, I see it now. Okay, so you have to lift your head up to see it, because if you go like that, you can't. Yeah. See it. Oh, I see it. This is great, man. And this is the largest size they have?
Yes, like that size. In the past, then we launched a smaller model, and
Yeah.
this is the larger model.
Is this like the mirror effect? I forgot the name of the mirror effect with the mirrors and the display in the center. Is that what it is?
Yes, this is the center part sensor, and if you move head, change the change automatically.
I just want a bike. Tracking of moving vehicles. It's cool. Look up there. Like this one, point spreadsheet technology, professional RGBD camera. Look at the camera. Yeah, it does. It's pretty good lens. You know, the cutout it does. So it's kind of like it does the same thing as the Intel Intense, but it's a little different. The actual system. Oh, it's running off of Alienware. That's right. Alienware sucks. Where are the sensors built in the suit? Where are the sensors built in the suit?
Here and then
Oh, okay. I didn't see them. Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, and the bottom one. Okay. Yeah, I'm recording. Sorry. That's pretty cool. Oh, that's what the presidential Leo seal.
Well, over here's picture of Obama being scanned
Oh.
in 2014.
Oh, wow.
The Smithsonian embarked on a project to scan the sitting president at the time.
That's pretty cool.
The first of its kind printable, 3D printable bust of the president. So we had our part in that, did the face. Some other folks from the Smithsonian had Artec scanners for the bust part, and the results are actually shown right there on the bottom. So it's a precise
capture, yeah.
measured-based version of a artistic.
That's pretty cool. I'm gonna take a look at
We have all
that.
kinds of future.
3D geometry as well as the textures. So very photorealistic.
All right. Oh, look at this. It's pretty cool.
It's hot.
You cannot stop the statements too far.
But the bottle.
That is super cool.
Oh, that's okay. The bottle.
Yeah, is this the linear? Let me see the double dual systems.
Does this have context at all outside of
And then basically
I want this kind of monitor. It's a little curve.
Has one of these. His dad gave him a monitor. It's like this big.
I used to have one, but I didn't like it. So, but I want some. Look at this monitor with the custom, with the actual, the whole thing in there. There's a Dell. It's like a server almost. So what model is this? Dell Precision 70. It's not bad actually. I have an older one, the older Precision. And then it has all these inputs now in the front. They have two Type C's here. It's crazy. This is all Dell stuff. Look at this one. The V Pro. New the docking station. I have the camera. You see that camera right there? I have this one right here. This one right. Sorry. But you see the other monitors? You see the... Sorry. It's like an art thing. This is what I want to do in my room. Like one day, just have all that together like that. It's like a little media production. Like if you're gonna do live streaming or movie or editing, you can see all that stuff that's happening here. Like for movie production, that's what they.
This is Michael Lewis. Hi, Carlos.
Oh, sorry. Hey.
We shall see.
How you doing?
Excellent.
Good. No, we're looking at you guys.
You got any questions?